Hey everybody, this is David at Barnyard Bees. If you remember this one nuke right here, this is the one that I did the walkaway split in. It was the 2-framer. And what I did, I left it queenless with only eggs from a donor colony and a few bees on it. They had some cat brood on it. Well, they made a queen cell. They hatched it out. She flew off, she mated, come back, and has been laying excellent. So right there is why I tell you about supersedure cells aren't always like what a lot of beekeepers try to make out, that they're trash and no good. It's not the case, and that's sometimes it can be, but most of the time it's really not. Okay, so what happened? This little colony packed those 2 frames out, and once her brood started hatching, it filled this box up really quick. Well, you know what's going to happen next. Drones start increasing, drone brood, and you know what's next? Queen cells. So they started making queen cells because they're prepping to swarm because they've overrun this little box. So there you go again. I can split it again. So what I did, the queen is in this box with her brood, eggs, honey, everything. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put just an old frame that I tore down. It was just an old junky frame. It had a lot of like the drone comb and stuff like that. So pull it off to recycle, and I'm going to put that frame right back there, and then I'm gonna come over here. Now this is my split. This is where the queen cell is, and I'm gonna put this right in here. Now here's what I do. Now, you know, moving it like this, it's gonna lose a lot of foragers. A lot of the young bees will stay, of course, and of course the brood will hatch and increase it. But there's going to be a huge timeline where there's not going to be any more eggs, because it's going to take that queen cell that was in there a few days to hatch, a few days to mature, a few days to fly out, come back, start laying. By then the population could really dwindle in that colony. So here's what I do. Here is the box with the queen in it. Let me one-handed here so I can palm it. Right there. Now, I'm going to move this box, which is the queen cell, right there. So, those bees are no stranger to these bees here, or the queen cell. But immediately they're going to know they're queenless. So they're going to start taking care of that queen cell and try to hatch it out. Now, the population of this hive will still dwindle, but I'm getting a lot of foragers back in there. All the foragers, actually. So population on this will grow. Meanwhile, this may decrease a little bit, but guess what? She's laying. She won't miss a beat. She'll keep on laying. Her eggs will keep on hatching. So by doing that, we made another split. And remember, this was originally from a package. I took a donor frame from one of my other nukes, and my overwintered nukes, and put it in there, and they made a queen because it's queenless. So that's where, and used the packaged bees as drifters. The drifters filled that box up, and that's how we got started with that. It's just a good way to make you extra queens and extra nuke boxes. Works very well. I've had really good luck with it. I know, supersedure queen. It's not supposed to be any good, but if they're laying and you see a good pattern, then what's the problem? There was cat brood. Both of these frames are packed with cat brood. So I wouldn't say she is a bad queen. That's about it, folks. Don't forget, click on the little bell, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Barnyard Bees.